All right, 2b. So in this case here, the factoring has not been done for us, so we got to go through and do the factoring. Okay, now I'm just going to apply a bit of a guess and check method here. Really, I know that you guys have gone through and done a lot of practice factoring. I know that some of you still struggle with factoring, but you know what you have to do. The goal here in this chapter is about understanding rationals, not necessarily factoring, so I'm going to kind of move a little bit more quickly through that right now. I can see that in both the numerator and denominator, the leading coefficient is 1, so I'm just going to quickly put x, all sorts of x's at the front there, because that's the only way that that's going to work. Now I'm looking for two numbers whose product is negative 22 and whose sum is 9. And it takes me a couple of seconds of thought to realize, well, 22 is really just 2 times 11, and that works for me, so long as this is positive 11 minus 2. In my denominator, I'm looking for two numbers whose product is 11 and whose sum is 12. Well, that's actually pretty straightforward. That's just 11 and 1. So I can see that x plus 11 over x plus 11 will become 1. And so those I can stop writing. And the original expression will be equivalent to this one. Again, they're not equal to each other, not yet. I'm writing that there. I probably should write that. They're not quite equal until I state here, but x can't equal negative 11, because again, this expression doesn't naturally have that restriction. The original does naturally have that restriction. They are almost identical, but until I put this here, by kind of stating that, now this one has the same restrictions as the original. Now they're equal. And again, I have to state the one other restriction here, and that is that x cannot equal negative 1. That's my essential discontinuity, because it's the one that carries through all the way to the end. I can't just get rid of it by division.